Namaskar, myself Dr. Kamla R Nagar, Professor and Head, Department of Dravya, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidhyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to share my lecture on Vanshlochana or bamboo silica. Content of the lecture are general introduction, morphology, properties, useful part and doses, and Ayurvedic preparations. Vanshlochana is siliceous resin and bamboo exudate secretes from nodes of bamboo trees. It is a form of herbal silica obtained from female bamboo trees. It is used in Ayurvedic and Unani medicine. It is a main ingredient of Sitopaladi churn used as immunomodulator. It is a very effective medicine for cold and running nose. This is the view of bamboo silica or Vanshlochana. Vanshlochana and tabashi are different things. Vanshlochana is a bamboo exudate. Tabashi prepared from Curcuma angustifolia. Vanshlochana main contain its silica 70 to 90% and used in respiratory diseases. Tabashi main contain its cellulose and starch and mainly used in gastric ulcer treatment. As rare availability of Vanshlochana nowadays, Tabaksheer is taken as alternative of Vanshlochana. Ayurvedic properties of Vanshlochana are: in ras it is Madhur Kashay, Anuras is Kashay, Guna is Laghu Ruksh, Virya is Sheet, Vipak is Madhur. Effect on dosh it is Vata Pitta Shamak, Prabhav it is Rasayan, parts to be used for medicinal purpose, secretion from nodes of bamboo trees, dose is not more than 250 mg to 500 mg per day. Therapeutic properties of Vanshlochana are: it is antacid, anti-arthritic, antibacterial, anti-cancer, anti-gout, anti-hypertensive, anti-mutagenic, anti-ulcer, antioxidant, antipyretic, aphrodisiac, anti-inflammatory, astringent, bronchodilator, demossant, expectorant, mild diuretic, and mild antipyretic. Also, other indications are in breathing troubles, cough, bleeding disorders, asthma, allergic conditions, mouth ulcers, gastritis, peptic ulcer, duodenal ulcers, ulcerative colitis, IBS, fever, geophagia, osteoporosis, and hair fall. Thanks everyone to give me your time.